26th June is celebrated as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking all over the world. In order to create awareness among the people, school and college students, various programs are organized by Anti-Narcotics Cell Police Station, Goa, and other police stations in the state of Goa during a fortnight of this event. On 22nd of June, Anti-Narcotic Police Station has organized a 10 kilometers run under the title Run Against Narcotic Drugs, which will start from Dr. Shamaprasad Mukherjee Stadium, Bombole. About 1,000 participants are expected to participate in this event, including Goa Police, Naval, Army, Coast Guard, CRPF, and general public. Then the participants will be provided with t-shirt, water and refreshment. The winners, both in male and female category, first, second and third, will be given cash rewards, commendation certificates and medals. The participants will be also awarded participation certificates. The participant athletes for 10 kilometers marathon can register themselves through the online registration link, which will be shared on the official Goa Police website and also on the official Twitter handle of Goa Police. Further, a painting competition for the students of class 5th to 7th and 8th to 10th of these schools in Goa will be organized at Gazetted Officers Mess, Altino, and an online slogan competition for the general public. The first, second and third place winners of both this painting and slogan competition will be awarded with the commendation certificates and mementos with a small function that will be held on 26th of June at the police headquarters conference hall. The email ID and WhatsApp numbers to share the slogan will be shared on the Goa Police website and on the Twitter handle of Goa Police. After registration, the registered participant athletes will get the confirmation message on their registered mobile phones. Thank you. The registration forms will be open from 12th of June now up to 19th of June. It will be available on Goa Police website.
Participation free is
Participation is free. Participation is free.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.